Today's video is about a mixed veg fry. Here are some vegetables, a mixture of broccoli, potato and carrot. So I'll be using these condiments: onion, chili flakes, and a little amount of fennel, coriander powder, garlic ginger paste, and I will garnish it at the last with the coriander leaves. So before I use the condiments, I will just fry these vegetables, just half fry. I'll just use a quarter of the oil. I'll transfer first into another frying pan. I'll use just a little bit of oil first for just frying the veg. Just plain. So after a few minutes, I'll add some salt. Remember, this is just a plain fried vegetable.
Just the salt first.
2 to 3 minutes. Let's stir it again. The salt has melted, that's why it's watery now. Vegetables. And then now I will add the pre-cooked oil. Just like we add the onion. I think now we can add the turmeric. Enough. I won't add much, it depends on the type of turmeric you're using. Since red chili flakes, then the garlic ginger paste, will spoil the taste, then coriander powder, just like that. Wow. Let me zoom a little bit in for you. Telling to mix all. Since I have put the salt from the beginning, so we don't have to add salt now. You can just taste it at the end.
See the color? Perfect color.
Few minutes only before I add this one, the Amul fresh cream. You can keep it for some more. Yes. Flame high. Look at that. Look at the color. Wow. Mix. Now as you can see the color. Flame, lower the flame. Turn off the flame. Now I will garnish this coriander leaves. I just want to do it my way of doing it, just like this. You don't have to chop it.
Beautiful.